Superstar Rajinikanth has been hospitalized in Hyderabad after his blood pressure shot up severely. According to statement from Apollo Hospital in Hyderabad, Rajni was admitted this morning for monitoring after his BP fluctuated. The hospital has confirmed that he has no symptoms of COVID-19 and is completely stable, but will remain in hospital until his BP settles down. Hospital has also said that besides his BP issues and exhaustion, he has no other symptoms as yet. This development now is particularly worrying because just days ago, 4 crew members from the shoot of Rajni's next film, Annathe, tested positive of COVID-19. Rajni was also tested on December 22nd and was shown to be negative. Now, it's still unclear at this point if he's going to go through another COVID-19 test, but the last one he took showed negative. Healthcare for Rajinikanth comes 5 days before he was scheduled to make an official announcement on his political plunge. Remember, Rajinikanth had announced that he will contest the 2021 Tamil Nadu polls. He's expected to launch his political party in January, but with his health condition now, there's a big question mark over Rajni's political plans, his future, his entry, all that.
We are outside this Apollo hospital here in Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills area, and superstar Rajinikanth has been admitted into this particular hospital after fluctuation in blood pressure. Rajinikanth has been shooting for a film for the last 10 days here in Hyderabad, and couple of people from his film crew, they tested positive, COVID-19 positive. However, Rajinikanth test results was negative, and today he came to this hospital for routine checkup, and there doctor diagnosed fluctuation in blood pressure, and now he is here under observation of doctors. The medical bulletin issued by Apollo Group says that all the parameters of superstar is stable. He is doing fine and nothing to worry. Meanwhile, you can see behind me, security has been increased. A lot of police presence here at this busy hospital of Hyderabad. It's a private corporate hospital here in Hyderabad where now Rajinikanth, the superstar of cinema, he is undergoing treatment. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
We have Akshaya now joining us from Chennai. Akshaya, quite worrisome development there on Rajni's health. His BP has fluctuated severely is what doctor says. What prompted that? What really happened when he was rushed to the hospital? Take us through all the details.
Well, Nabila, what we're seeing here is that there's a lot of worry amongst Rajni fan and also his family after suddenly Rajinikanth fell sick in Hyderabad. He was shooting for his film Annathe, and he's been shooting for over 10 days and has been working around the clock to ensure that the schedule of the movie is completed before the 31st, which was a day on which he had said that he will be making his big political announcement. And what really panned out was that 4 crew members got infected by COVID-19 virus, and even though superstar Rajinikanth was tested negative, he had gone into an isolation, and during that phase it seemed that his BP had severe fluctuation, and also a lot of exhaustion has happened to him is what doctors have now told us. The Apollo Hospital press release very clearly says that Rajinikanth has been having a lot of exhaustion and severe BP variations, and that is one of the reasons why they have admitted him in the hospital. He's under observation, but the current condition is that he is stable, and there is not much that they have diverged apart from that. And as far as the medical details were concerned, they've said that his blood flow, heart rate, all those parameters have become stable right now. But on a better note, they're trying to keep him on observation to ensure that nothing is wrong with the superstar. He has already said that he has every intention to go into politics, so it will be crucial for him to stay healthy right now.
Absolutely, Akshaya. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. Let's wish him a speedy recovery.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.